Do you ever stand in front of your closet full of clothes and you still feel like you have nothing to wear? You are not alone. That was me before. I was copying people, looking for trends on Pinterest, wasting time and money in clothes that didn't work with my body or with my lifestyle. But once I applied the framework that I'm about to teach you here, everything shifted. I finally start dressing up like me, aligned with my lifestyle, my essence. I start feeling more confident, aligned, and effortless. And now I help women to do the same, connect their essence with their looks and elevate their image without overthinking. Hola, I am Anatru. I'm a costume designer and certified image consultant from FIT New York. I created this method to help women stop wasting money in clothes that don't work and finally build a wardrobe that reflects who they are and who they want to be. These are my 3 steps to look put together. Number 1, it's know who you are. Before we talk about colors, trends, shopping, body types, everything, we start with identity. Because your style is not about what is trending right now. It is about who you are in this season of your life. So you should ask yourself, are you a mom working from home? Are you a student? Are you a new businesswoman? Are you a woman transitioning to a new stage of life? Are you a creative? Your wardrobe should reflect your lifestyle, your values, and your day-to-day activities. Style is a conversation between your inner world and your outer expression. Let's start with this mini exercise. It's gonna be super fun, I promise. Fill in the blank below because this is gonna be your foundation. Right now, for example, I'm a mom that works from home. My personal style currently is, for me, it is informal or casual and feminine. Just 3 words. Step 2 is define what you want to feel. Once you're clear on who you are right now and what is your lifestyle, we are gonna drink. How do you want to be perceived? What do you want to feel with your style? Do you want your style to express joy, calm, professionalism, power? What do you want to feel? Most women wear clothes that fight their energy. But once you discover how to dress accordingly, everything shifts and magic happens. Let's do this mini exercise. I want to project fill in the blank with my style. My style allows me to fill in the blank. For me is I want to project calmness with my style. My style allows me to approach new clients. Step 3, build your style system. We're gonna bring everything together that we work on the past and we're gonna build your visual identity. Here are the 3 pillars to focus on. First is your body. Learn your body shape. Choose silhouettes that work with your body shape and not against your body shape. And I'm gonna leave in the description a free guide so you can know what kind of shape you are and what are the silhouettes that work best for you. Second, your colors. And this one is my favorite one because it's very easy to discover. Warm tones, cool tones, or neutral tones. If a color washes you out, that means that is not your color. Once you know your palette, shopping becomes way easier. And I'm gonna link below a free guide too so you can discover if you are a warm person, a cool person, or you have neutral undertones. Third, your silhouettes. Once you know what flatters you, stick to those shapes. It simplifies everything. I personally only shop for silhouettes I know work for me. That way I avoid wasting money on clothes that I don't wear. My final tips are the best investment that you can do is know yourself and have clarity in who you are, what is your lifestyle, how do you want to feel, how do you want to be perceived, and also knowing your body shape, your colors, your silhouette. That is gonna save you a ton of time and money. I created a free guide for your style. If you wanna get it, it's free. Stop copying influencers. They probably don't have your same body shape, colors, or silhouettes. Know yourself first, and then you can adapt that style to your style. Think of your wardrobe like a brand. You are the muse, and you're also the creative director. So choose your pieces intentionally. You don't need more clothes. You need more clarity. And I always say that less but better is way better than a lot and feeling like you don't have anything to wear. I hope hope you find this video very helpful. Comment below what are your 3 style words. I would love to hear, and remember to subscribe and grab your free guide. See you in the next video. Ciao.